How to add account on WhatsApp in iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you and explain you on how you can add account on WhatsApp in iPhone. Now, as you guys know, the feature itself is already available on Android device. However, it's still yet not available on iPhone. Now it's a bit frustrating, right? So what you can do now, there is an alternate way. The only other way is what you can do is you can simply first go ahead and download the WhatsApp business on your phone, right, on your iPhone. Now you'll have one account on your WhatsApp Messenger. The other one, you can go ahead and download WhatsApp business, and there you can set up your account and you can use your second account on your WhatsApp business. So this is how you can add account on WhatsApp on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.